Have a good day, have a good time to all of you guys. Ayan, lalo sa ating mga taga-suporta dyan. Today is napaka-special day kasi naabot namin na aking my loves ang aming, of course, ang aming 4th anniversary. 4 years na po namin ang aking my loves. Pero LDR pa rin. Kasi ngayon is 48 months, so total nun is 4 years na namin na aking my loves na si my loves Rhea, yung aking one and only mahal. Ayan, so aawitan ko siya ng awit ni David. Ayan, David Pomeranz, alam nyo na yun kung ano yun. So kantayin na natin, guys. Ayan, ang title nito ay On This Day kasi ito yung araw kung kailan niya ako sinagot. Well, so kasi nakakatuwa naman. Nakakatuwa talaga, guys. Kasi hindi ko akalain na abot naman ng 4 years and I hope more years to celebrate mahal ang ating special day. So, di bale natin, baka mauwi na rin ako soon. Soon pa lang. So, try na natin ito, guys, On This Day. Happy 4 years anniversary, mahal. sorry,
some
mahal.
exposure damages our skin's DNA.
May nasabit pang ano, nasabit. Bye guys! Love you, mahal!